the little bit of exercise is something so simple, like waist exercise. And you can also do this sitting, in a sitting position, which obviously that's what I was doing, because I was sitting in my vehicle because my wheelchair was not repaired. And then my vehicle was damaged at the Jeep dealership. So all of that had to play into my circumstances, and those circumstances was that I was not able to be mobile. And this is what I did, literally sitting in the driver's seat. And these are called waist exercise. So basically, you sit erect in a chair, your arms bent and held chest high at your sides. So twist your upper torso to your left, return to the starting position, repeat to the right. So basically, you're just twisting back and forth. And then as you start to get a little bit more mobile, you can then lift your leg up to your knee, like you put your I'm reading my emails coming in, I'm so sorry. You put you put your elbow to your knee. So as you're doing your twist, you put the elbow to your knee. So sitting trunk twister. Sit in a chair, your hands clasped behind your head and your elbows drawn back. And then alternately raise your knees as high as possible. As the right knee is lifted, turn your body to the right and touch your left elbow to your right knee. When your left knee is lifted, your right elbow should touch the left knee. And then you sit in the chair, your feet comfortable on the floor, and your left hand on your hip, your right hand extended at shoulder height to the side. Bend your trunk to the left and simultaneously reach over and beyond your head with your right arm. So return to the starting position. Do this several times, then repeat on the other side. A variation is to place your hands behind you, keeping them there during the left and the right movements. So this is very simple, especially the sitting twist. That's something that I can do throughout the day. I can do it maybe 5 to 10 at a time, sometimes 15, it just really depends. But now I'm up to 50 on each side. So first it was 50 all together, and now it's 50 on each side, and that was throughout the day. So it's really simple. And like I said, you're gonna lose the weight, and you're not gonna be eating as much. So you're gonna still want to eat something, but you get full a lot quicker than before. So I'm telling you, the fasting works. Everything that I've done, it's working. My legs are getting back bony again, which I wasn't really trying to get the bone look. I just didn't want to be that heavy set, especially in the upper body next to my heart and my chest. And like I said, I had gained that weight so fast that I was afraid of what the fat would do next to my heart. You know, whether it would be a stroke or what have you. So I was really trying to get that weight off my chest. And like I said, every time I would get back into the vehicle, my stomach would touch the steering wheel, and I had not moved the seat. So I knew it was a very crucial time for me to make some changes to my sedentary lifestyle. And so now I don't have a problem with that. I don't have a problem with my stomach touching the steering wheel or anything like that. And like I said, I've been fasting. I've been monitoring every day. I'm looking at my body and seeing the droopiness. And I did get a comment where I believe it's a gentleman. He said that I needed to lift heavier weights. So that's my plan, is to get heavier weights. I've just been basically trying to lose the weight, and I was doing like little weight stuff, like these little power box that I have. I just lift those, and that was, to me, I thought heavy enough, because I didn't want to overextend myself where my arms start fatiguing. So that's why I was just really taking it very easy. Even this weight loss journey, I took my time with it, and I'm so happy, because my goal was by the new year to get past the 200, get below the 200, and get to like 168, maybe 170. So I know I will be there within a couple of weeks if I carry on like I was with that weight loss. And I don't like the droopy skin, so I try to slow it down a little bit, and try to maintain and get that strength back, get that muscle back. And I'm like I said, I don't plan on getting a boob reduction, so I will probably have these boobs for the rest of my life. And as far as the booty, I never really had a big one. It got more wider than it did extend, but that's fine too. But I want to get the waist back in order. So the back, I'll be doing different types of exercises to help strengthen that waistline, the ab muscles, which is, you know, the core of your body and everything that holds you up, so I can walk a little bit better and have a lot more strength. So this journey, even though I'm losing weight, is really only just begun as far as really getting back into shape. So we're going to do this all together, and I'm going to keep giving you the different tips and the different ways that I was able to lose the weight. So I have the proof, I can show it to you. And you know, like I said, I don't know if you're going to get the same results as far as the saggy skin and losing it so quickly, but I do know by fasting that you will lose this weight. And I do know by changing your diet, by changing your lifestyle, that you will too also lose weight if that's what you're aiming for. And even if you just want to get back into shape and so forth, a lot of times not eating after 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock helps. So you don't necessarily have to be overweight in order to make some of these lifestyle changes to accommodate a more healthier lifestyle. So we'll talk a little bit further. I just wanted to let you know